Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to master the vowel sound E, which is also known as the long E. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below. My name is Mr. Darlington. Pronouncing the sound. The mouth is slightly open during the production of the sound E, and the teeth can also be seen. Now this sound can be spelled in different ways. Let's start with some spelling patterns with the sound E. See, feel, eat, seat, field, believe, receive, ceiling, theme, breeze, marine, police, key, valley. Now let's try using the spelling patterns in some sentences. 1. I can see the sun shining brightly. I can see the sun shining brightly. 2. I'm going to eat a sandwich for lunch. I'm going to eat a sandwich for lunch. I receive a letter from my friends every day. I receive a letter from my friends every day. The theme of the book is love and friendship. The theme of the book is love and friendship. Great job! By using these tips and strategies, you can help your learners improve their pronunciation and master the sound E. See you in my next video. Bye for now.